In this keynote, there's basically 4 things going on. First of all, I'm telling stories, inspirational stories that contain lessons learned from my long career of being in the room. Second, audience interaction. I want to ask your folks some questions. I want to get their opinions. I want this to be highly entertaining for you, and I want it to be relevant to your issues. So yeah, we're going to get your folks holding the microphone. Number 3, practical tips and tools that your folks can start using right away. Things to say, things to do for more collaboration. And last, the actual principles of collaboration. I'm going to bring you my top 6 list of guidelines, advice, if you will, for individuals and groups trying to make decisions together. So it's a blend of all of these different things, whether it's 45 minutes or an hour and a half. This is basically what you get.